Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your Hisense Smart TV to the mobile hotspot. Start by creating a hotspot on your mobile device. To do that, go to Network and Internet, select Hotspot and Tethering, and then enable Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also go to Hotspot settings and you can go to speed and compatibility and make sure that you have 2.4 and 5 gigahertz band, because it's much easier. It will be much more compatible this way. And also, if you have any additional settings to improve your device's compatibility settings, then also enable them. Now, on your smart TV, you're gonna have to go to the navigation menu from the main menu using the left arrow key on your device. Then you, in this menu, use top and down arrow keys to navigate to settings. Press OK. Then scroll down to connection. In the very same way, press OK once again. Then scroll down to network, and once again select network configuration. And now you're gonna have to select, make sure the connection type is wireless. Then select refresh. And once you see your mobile hotspot's name here, press OK on it and provide the password to this network. To do that, you have to use arrow keys to navigate, and OK to select the letter, sign or digit. Once you enter the password, use the top arrow key to go right here. Then press in down arrow key twice, select connect, press OK, and this way you will be connected to your mobile hotspot. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.